All right. So I wanted to talk real quick about when you're comparing closing costs from each different lender. So say you found a property, you put an offer on it, they accepted your offer. Now you want to find a lender to service that loan and you're comparing each different lender and their cost. So this is a loan estimate and this will be pretty much the same at every different lender. It'll look just like this. So it's got all your information up front, what product you're going with, the sale price, the loan amount, depending on how much you're putting down. And if you go to the bottom of that front page, you got estimated closing cost. So estimated closing cost, you got 15,604. I'm going to tell you why you don't want to focus on that number. So that number can be a little off depending on what lender you're looking at. So what you want to do is you want to go to that second page and you got closing cost details. Okay. So at the top, you got loan cost. Now, the first one is going to be points, depending on if you're buying the rate down. If you're going to a lower interest rate, it'll come with a little bit more cost, which are called points to buy that interest rate down. Okay. Below that, you'll have loan origination fee, underwriting fee, processing fee. Now, that'll be different depending on what lender you're with as well. Some charge a loan origination fee, some don't, some have an underwriting fee, some have a processing fee. Me as a broker, a lot of times we don't charge underwriting fee or processing fee. So you'll want to look at that. Below that, you got services you cannot shop for. Okay. That should be the same pretty much at each different lender. You got appraisal fee, you got credit report fee, MERS fee. Below that, you got services you can shop for. Now that'll vary between each lender because you got title, you got your lender's coverage premium, depending on, who you're using for that. That may be a little bit different. Below that, you got the total from A, B, and C. Total loan cost, 11,546. So you'll look at that number. You will add that to E, which is going to be taxes and government fees. So you'll add D plus E, and then you'll look down here at lender credits. Now, if you have any lender credits, you will add D plus E and then subtract those lender credits. That is going to give you the total cost for doing the loan with that lender. Okay. If you go back up here and you look at F and G, so this is where this number up here is a little bit different. Okay. Because prepaids, although they should be pretty much the same at each lender, they're not. They may have a different number in here. So this may be higher, may be lower. Same with escrow, your mortgage insurance, your property taxes. Now, once we find out your insurance company, what your monthly payment will be, what your premium will be for that year, we'll know exactly. This will come a little bit later on an exact number with the closing disclosure, but this may be a little bit off depending on each lender. Okay, so they should be similar, but a lot of times I've seen a pretty big discrepancy in those numbers. So what you really want to focus on is you want to look at D plus E minus any lender credits. That's really going to tell you the cost for doing the loan with them. So if you have any questions, questions about this, questions about something else that maybe I can help answer, please leave me a comment or put it in, put it in there, put the question in there. I'd be happy to try to help you or answer any questions you may have. I really appreciate the time and thank you.